Chin-ups. Grasp the pull-up bar with a shoulder-width reverse grip. Pull your body upwards until your chin clears the bar. Pause, and then slowly lower yourself down to the start position. Kneeling lat pull-down with bar. Kneel down facing the machine and assume a wide grip on the pull-down bar. Pull your elbows down to your sides and slowly return to the start position while maintaining an upright body posture. Kneeling pull-down with handles. Kneel down facing the machine and grasp one handle in each hand. Pull your elbows down to your sides and slowly return to the start position while maintaining an upright body posture. Low back extension. Grasp one handle in each hand and position your hands beside your head as shown. Brace your feet against the foot support and pivot your upper body rearwards to approximately 75 degrees. Low row. With legs straight and feet braced against the foot support, grasp one handle in each hand and pull the handles to your sides while maintaining a flat back and neutral spine position. Single arm row. Assume a staggered stance and brace your free hand on your knee for stability. Grasp the handle with one hand and pull it to your side while maintaining a flat back and neutral spine position. Pull-ups. Grasp the pull-up bar with a wide overhand grip. Pull your body upwards until your chin clears the bar. Pause, and then slowly lower yourself back to the start position.